Click on the date and time of the event that you'd like to schedule. Add a title to your event. Edit the time by using the drop-down menu or typing in the actual time. Invite parents, teachers, and other staff, even the student, by typing in their email. If you include a location, it'll help attendees from outside the building find your meeting. You also have conferencing options that allows people who are physically unable to attend. To help set the stage for the meeting, you can even include a description. There are more options, but for now, let's save using just the basic settings. When you click on the event, all of the information that you just entered appears. This information is available to all attendees who are invited. Click on the pencil to edit your event. This opens up all the options that you have for your event. These extra options include custom, repetition, or recurrence patterns, or you can choose to customize your recurrence pattern. You can set custom notifications to go off at predetermined times. These notifications can either come as push notifications or as emails. From here, you can edit all of your normal options like the guest list. You can even alter the level of control guests have over the event. From this menu, you can also assign this event to a different calendar or change the visibility of the event. If you click on the paperclip, you can attach files and folders. These can either come from your Google Drive or you can attach them directly from your desktop. Google Calendar doesn't have autosave, so make sure you hit save when you finalize all the options.